Hi grade 3. Today we're going to learn how to create a line plot with a horizontal scale marked in quarter unit intervals. So basically it's a fancy way of saying we're going to plot fractions on a number line to create a line plot. So first we're going to review how to plot fractions on a number line. So as you can see, we have the starting point of our number line here and our end point here. So the starting point, we're going to start at 0. This will be 1. This will be 2, 3, and 4, and it looks like this. 0 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to plot our lines for our fractions. So if we remember, when we're going to be doing it in fourths, so if we remember how to do that, we have to make 3 lines. So it's always one less than the total number of parts, because this is one of the parts already there. Okay, so we're going to split it up. So start halfway, like that, and then we have our 4 parts. So we'll do that all the way down, so it looks like that. And so now we have all of our lines necessary. And now we're going to write the fraction for each part. So this will be 1/4. This will be 2/4, but actually it's 1/2. We have to remember that. 3/4, then we continue 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, 2, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, 2 3/4, 3, 3 1/4, 3 1/2, and 3 3/4. And you notice that we have, for each line, we have a number, either a whole number or a fraction or a mixed number. Okay, when we get to the one whole, we have to bring that one whole along with our fraction. So we're kind of adding on as we go, because this part would be 1 1/4 because it's from 0 all the way to this point. Okay, so plot your number line and just practice with it so that you're comfortable, and this is really important for us to be able to do our line plots. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher or re-watch the video.